Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We're gonna be doing some fishing on Beaver Creek today. Let's get into it. We just got down here on Beaver Creek here in Arizona. We're gonna do some exploring, see if we can catch some fish. It's like 35 degrees, sunny though, so the weather's pretty nice. I'm not super far from the water. The water's just right down there. If we're not having any luck with the spinner, I might try out the fly rod. I'm not super advanced with the fly rod. I've only been fly fishing 5 or 6 times, but we'll bring it down there, and if there's room to fly fish, maybe we'll do that too. See if we can get a trout to cook up. There's still a little bit of ice on my truck here from the snow we got a couple days ago. We're pretty close to the creek. This is an awesome spot. I'm just gonna try the spinner out right in front right here. Broke out the fly rod. I haven't used it in a couple years. We'll see how this goes. I definitely need to do some more practice on the fly rod. Is it? Hey. Hey. Alright, I'm gonna work my way up to a pool up here. If I don't get anything, I'm gonna work my way back downstream. I'm heading back to the truck. It's getting warm, so take this jacket off, regroup at the truck, and then from there we're gonna go downstream from the truck. We're back at the truck. I took off my jacket. It's way too hot. It's like 50 now, I think, so it's a lot warmer. 5 hard-boiled eggs and a Slim Jim. There's no way we're not catching a trout after this lunch. Polka dot to Panther Martin is what we're running now. We may have lost a couple lures. Let's get back out there. I'm going downstream right now, but it's getting really narrow on this side. So I'm gonna go back up there and cross. A little slick if I jump. Little one on. Little trout. There we go. Beautiful little trout. Let's go, baby. All right, we didn't get skunked. I'm down here next to the water here. and the water's pretty low. It's barely flowing right now, but you can see when there's flash floods how high up this water does go. I mean, there's huge debris. I mean, you can see the roots ripped out over here, but there's big debris piles from flash floods. We're gonna keep going downstream. Oh, we're good. We got him. No way. No way. I'm so disappointed in myself for not having a net. I just had that trout on, brought it all the way up to the shore, and then I tried to lift it. If I had a net, I would have gotten it so easy, but it just came off the hook. On right here. Let's go. Nice brown. Heck yeah. Didn't have the camera on when I hooked this guy up, but he was jumping. Nice brown trout. Just caught that guy with this black rooster tail with a silver spinner. Got the nice red colors on the side. Bust out the skill here. This one's pretty much exactly 12 inches. Perfect eat. We're gonna cook it up in a bit. Pretty close to 12, guys. Pretty much exact 12. There we go, fish all clean. All right, that's it. I'm gonna head back. We'll cook this up at my house. We're back in the kitchen. We're gonna make brown trout street tacos. We got the trout from earlier here. We're gonna season it up with, we're gonna use a little bit of lime juice, chili powder, and garlic powder, that's it. Here's what it looks like seasoned up. Just pretty much the belly. The outside doesn't matter because we're gonna take the skin off for the tacos anyways. Just gonna use some avocado oil on the pan. And we're gonna throw some butter on there too. A little bit of butter for the pan too. Now the butter and oil is melted, we're gonna put the trout on. And we'll do a couple minutes each side. We're gonna chop up some cilantro and onion. Time to get the trout to flip. What you doing, buddy? Queso fresco. We're also gonna make a little bit of guac too. There we go. Put the trout here. We're gonna take out the spine. You're just gonna lift from the front right up here. Well, there's all the meat you're gonna get from one brown trout. We're gonna heat up some tortillas. Plate these. Take some of the trout meat here. Onion on each. Cilantro on each. And queso fresco. Some of this habanero hot sauce. All right, brown trout tacos. We got queso fresco, cilantro, onion, guac, and flour tortillas. Let's try one of these. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, it helps for sure. See you guys in the next one.